Hey guys, so this is our project for Prometeo Blockchain Hackathon Submission. We named it Campus Coin. So this is basically a decentralized incentive DApp for college students. Basically, admins can provide incentives to a college student for their hard work done during the events and fest. These incentives can be redeemed for the various rewards and merchandise available on the app, and these merchandise can be made available by the admin. So this is the main entry page. It shows please connect your wallet to proceed further. As I connect my wallet, just wait a second for MetaMask to pop up. So I have just connected my wallet. As this is my admin account, this shows the admin page where I can add merchandise, transfer ownership, and send tokens to the students. So here is the list of the all students. I can verify, and a student can request the verification and I can verify them as being admin, and uh, through these buttons I can navigate to those tabs. So this is the admin page. From here I can add merchandise. So I'll just show you how I can add a merchandise by clicking. I have to submit a image URL, IPFS image URL, a product name and price. So for I'll just grab a image from, wait a minute. So as the image has been uploaded, I'll just copy the IPFS link for this and paste it over here. Enter product name as bag and enter price for it and upload a product. I just have to sign a small gas transaction for the product to be uploaded. Wait a minute. I'll just refresh the page to show you that merchandise has been added. So you can see, and students can buy from their own tab. I'll just change my MetaMask wallet to show you how this app will render in student side. So this is a previously registered student. For previously registered student, the main screen will look like this. He can send tokens to his friend, and in the spend token tab he'll be redirected to this merchandise page where he can buy the merchandise. So I'll just change my MetaMask wallet to another wallet in which the student is not registered. And reconnect the account. Just a minute. Wait a minute. So as I have just connected the account which is previously not registered as a student. I have to provide some details: image for the student image, student ID, name and badge to be enrolled. These details are being shared by the admin to get verified. As the admin get verified, he will be added as a student. So I'll just grab a person image. And upload it to IPFS. I think I have downloaded some wrong image. So as the transaction got confirmed, you can see admin have got details of the student. Wait a minute. So you can see the admin have got the details of the student with name, student ID, wallet address of the student and the badge he want to be get verified. So I can show by sending some tokens to the student. Control C, Control V, enter amount to be sent 3. So he'll just receive 3 IIT-JT tokens. We have created a separate ERC20 token. As I sign this message, the tokens will be transferred to the user. By the transaction get confirmed, you can see that now if I connect by the same wallet, you can see the name Karan Singh, and image is currently not loading. It is a bit slow in case of IPFS. So I've just sent 3 tokens to him. So thank you guys, this is our project for the submission.